Thank you for visiting the Daiki Kato Laboratory channel. This is Daiki Kato. Today, I'll speak about social rolefulness. Rolefulness includes two sub-factors. One is social rolefulness. Another is internal rolefulness. Let's learn together about social rolefulness in this episode. Social rolefulness is role satisfaction based on social experiences, such as interpersonal relationships. We have several social roles in our daily lives. Conversation with your family, helping your friends, and working together with your colleagues, for example. Social rolefulness relates with our social experiences. Interpersonal communication is especially important. We need to develop social and communication skills to establish and maintain good relationships with others. Communication just within the group when we are not really speaking, just organizing the meeting, encouraging others, accepting others, offering help, asking for help. This in-person communication really matters for our social life. In this episode, I talk to you about social rolefulness. Social rolefulness is an important basis of role satisfaction for us. I hope you learn more about it through our rolefulness book. Thank you for watching and see you next episode. Bye.